Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and opening the settings screen where Controls live. Make sure your battery is above 20% or plug the phone in so processes won't pause. Next, navigate to Settings, then General, then Background App Refresh so you're on the right panel. You need a working Wi-Fi or cellular connection because toggles may sync with the cloud. Once there, take note of the master switch and the per app list so you can act quickly. Now adjust the master toggle and each app based on how often you need fresh content. Flip the global background app refresh to off if you want a clean slate, then enable it only for high-priority apps like email or navigation. For each app, consider frequency and data cost. Disable apps that rarely need updates to conserve battery and data. Once done, double-check that critical apps remain enabled, because selective enabling preserves performance without losing important background functionality. Finish by restarting your device so system services pick up the new settings and background tasks restart cleanly. If apps still don't refresh, make sure individual app permissions allow background activity and that the app is updated to the latest version. As a troubleshooting tip, reset network settings if sync issues persist, because connectivity problems often block background refresh. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password before resetting. Finally, update the OS to remove any known background process bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.